posible bang ito ay resulta ng pagkakagambala sa natural na disenyo ng ating katawan na ipinagkatiwala ng ating Diyos na lumikha? Tanong mo rin yan, di ba? Tatanungin din natin yan. So, since 2022, actually, 2022, right after the massive vaccinations, nag-umpisa na po kami ng pagre-research ng mga ingredients papunta dito. Now, I would like to share with you, o wag po yan, wag niyo po titingnan yan. Ayan. I'd like to share with you. Kasi ipinakikita po sa mga pag-aaral na ang mga ingredients, actually, halimbawa na nattokinase, bromelain, curcumin, N-acetylcysteine, coenzyme Q10, pati itong mononucleotide, itong NMN. Pinakikita po sa mga pag-aaral na ang mga bioactive compounds ng mga ito ay tumutulong sa lung function, cardiovascular health, brain protection, oxygen circulation, pag-regulate ng pamamaga or inflammation. And each ingredient has been potentially studied for its potential to dissolve fibrin clots at saka yung breakdown spike proteins. Ulitin ko po, actually hindi po ito gamot pero ito ay isang hakbang para huwag hayaang lumalim ang katahimikan ng katawan. In today's world, mahalaga ang pagsuporta sa natural na detoxification at paggaling ng katawan upang manatili ang resistensya, ang sigla at ang pangkalahatang kalusugan. So, ayan po yung product natin na, yun nga yung, ito siya, yung ating Vax-Is. It is a scientifically formulated food supplement designed to mitigate potential adverse effects associated with COVID-19 vaccination. This formulation integrates bioactive compounds with clinically studied mechanism to counteract post-vaccination fatigue, inflammation, oxidative stress, and coagulation disturbances. So, I just want to share with you this product. And thank you so much for your time. At again po, hindi po ito gamot, pero pwede itong maging isang hakbang para po makatulong sa atin. Thank you so much, and I am now open for question and answer. Kuya Len, thank you so much po.
Wow, grabe, Doc. Thank you, Doc, for that wonderful presentation, guys. Let's appreciate first si Dr. Sheila, no, for this wonderful product. And Doc, a lot of people are asking, no, about, especially when we talk about sa vaccine,
Yes.
are there really like vaccines that, kumbaga, although hindi natin pwede sabihin but is there really a vaccine that's really more dangerous, we could say, than the others?
Dangerous than the others.
Meron
Okay,
po ba gano'n?
Actually, kung titingnan mo kasi, Kuya Lem, okay lang i-share natin yung screen. Kung titingnan mo kasi, Kuya Lem, ganito yan. I think the safest one is Sinovac.
Sinovac?
Yes. Kung ako
The
ang
Chinese
titingnan mo.
vaccine?
Yes, Sinovac is the because it is an inactivated virus na inilagay sa ating braso. But it is still based on the research sa mga pag-aaral, hindi ka pa rin ligtas sa mga blood clotting effect. Ngayon, ang pumapangalawang less na matapang wag mo na yung matatapang. Dito muna tayo sa medyo duwag. Pinakaduwag ang Sinovac. Tapos kasama dyan yung, actually, yun lang pero pare-pareho na silang matatapang. Pare-pareho na silang matatapang. Ito kung minsan meron pa nga tayong yung iba may AstraZeneca tapos ang kanilang booster Pfizer or whatsoever.
Yes. Minimix.
Actually, minimix nila. Actually ganito yan Noong kasing kasagsagan ng pandemic, because of the urgency, naaprubahan ng WHO ang mga vaccines despite nasa phase 1 pa lang sila. Ibig sabihin, hindi pa alam ang tunay na galawan ng mga ito sa katawan sa tunay na mundo. Now, That is why it is very important na gumawa ng phase 4. Ang phase 4 ay papalabas pa lang. Regardless kung anong effect niyan, kung yan ba ay safe or whatsoever, may magagawa ka pa ba, nasa sistema mo na ang mga genomic materials na gumagawa ng spike protein? Wala na eh. Di ba? So
Okay,
wala tayong magagawa, nandiyan na yan. Sabi ko nga, kapag ka mayroong mga ganitong klaseng pandemic, normal na may mamatay na tao. Lahat. Talagang lalo na yung mga immunocompromised. Meron at meron talagang mawawala. Pero hindi naman marapat na yung mga next generation ay may nakatanim ng padating na mga malalang sakit sa kanila. Saan ka nakakita na ang vaccine sa isang 60 years old ay kapareho sa isang 12 years old?
Totoo.
Di ba? So imagine the next generation, ano ang mangyayari sa kanila.
Doc, there's another question na like, Doc, if I take the different ingredients separately, would Vax-Ease be better kasi than taking the different ingredients separately? Let's say I have an NMN pill, I have a liposomal curcumin separately. Why when you put it together, it becomes even more powerful, Doc?
Because we need to, we do, you know, normally for spike protein to be dissolved or to break down the spike protein, we need at least 3 ingredients in here. Tatlo ang kailangan natin. But for how many years? 3 years na ba? For how many years that we have those spike proteins in our body? Do you think wala pang perwisyo na nangyari sa katawan niya? That's why we came into a 6 major ingredients for this. And para mas mabilis ang absorption nito, actually we liposome ang mga ingredients. So ang Vax-Ease po ay puro lahat ng mga ingredients na to ay in a liposomal form para mas mabilis ang absorption. So now your question is, pwede naman kung meron kang CoQ10, may nattokinase ka, NMN ka, do it, di ba? Lahat ng bagay na alam nating makakatulong, let's use that. Gamitin
Okay.
natin yun, no? Kung meron kang CoQ10, meron kang CoQ10, NAC, NMN, nattokinase, bromelain, or how do you call that? Curcumin. If you have it in your house, take 1 by 1. Uminom ka na yan, makakatulong na yan sa katawan. Now, if you do not have, you need at least, based on the research o pag-aaral ng mga ingredients, you need at least 3 capsules per day. At ang bawat kapsula nito ay nakasakto na kung ano talaga, kung paano makakatulong ito sa katawan. Let's give a 3 to 6 months to your body na alisin yung spike protein. Okay? It so happen nowadays, we do not have that kind of machines to check yung spike protein.
Spike protein.
But if I can have a high resolution camera dito sa ating microscope, I can detect that. At umahanap pa ako if and when ang nanocell ang unang-unang machi-check to.
Wow.
Nanocell members. Iikutan natin kayo. I am just looking for a very high resolutions na camera and we will use para ma-check natin. But anyway, again po, gusto kong ipaalam sa inyo na kahit wala ng spike protein, ang memory ng dysregulations at damage ay paparating po yan sa ating katawan. Hindi ko kayo tinatakot dito. Okay? Hindi ko kayo I am giving you a warning on what is going to happen in our body with the presence or with the continued stimulation of presensya ng spike protein sa ating katawan. It will come one of these. So kung may anak tayo na vaccinated, you might as well stop or help the body na wag nang palalain ang mga sintomas na yan. Dahil pag may sintomas, may paparating na malaking sakit. Okay? Minsan maririnigan natin, simpleng ubo lang. Malala na. But anyway, we will discuss it next time. So do you have another question, Kuya?
Another question, Doc, is if I am vaccinated and then nagkaanak po ako, would there be a transfer of the spike proteins?
Even sa sperm ng lalaki.
Oh my goodness.
So, good luck next generation. Even
Grabe,
sa
no?
sperm. Even sa sperm ng lalaki, gumawa ka, pinag-meet mo ang egg cell, gumawa kayong pareho na meron ng... Just imagine, you know, we are very well versed when it comes sa katawan natin, di ba? Pag nag-meet dalawa, meron na kagad na spike protein. It comes kahit na sa sa sperm ng lalaki.
So I think, Doc, kung yung babae po ang na-vaccinate,
Pareho, mga egg
lalo na,
cells.
mm,
Pareho lang. Pareho lang. Walang pagkakaiba. Pareho sa banana cue. Nasa sperm ng lalaki, nasa sperm ng babae. So, imagine, what is this
okay.
design right now? Anong nangyayari sa mundo? Bakit nagkakaganito? Bakit? Pero kung titingnan mo, Kuya Lem, walang bagong sakit na lumabas. Pero magnified lahat ang sakit. Di ba walang bagong lumabas na sakit, kaya lang lahat magnified.
Okay.
Oo. So, if you have another
Doc,
questions,
may,
okay.
may tanong po dito. Doc, kasi iba po ba talaga yung COVID-19 vaccines than the other vaccines? Kasi we also have other vaccines in the past. Do they also cause you to have spike proteins? And if not, how will this vaccines um, affect also yung mga dati nating vaccines na hindi
What do
naman
you,
COVID related?
like flu vaccines or
Yes,
whatsoever,
yes.
you know, those can be eliminated and very mild. It doesn't touch the structural system of our body. Hindi nun ginagalaw yung mga flu vaccines na yan o polio vaccines or whatsoever vaccines. Hindi niya ginagalaw yung structural design ng ating katawan. But these vaccines, itong mga lumabas na mga new generation vaccines na ito, they are already embedded in our system na every time our body produces cells, may kasama na ang spike protein. This is a problem.
So this is a new, parang upgraded
No,
na
we call this
version.
vaccine sa mga COVID-19 vaccine, we call them new generation.
New
Okay?
generation.
We call them new generations. Now, kumpara mo sa mga flu vaccines, pneumococcal vaccines, hepatitis 1 or 2 vaccines, so yung mga hepa A, hepa B vaccines, those are vaccines na nanggaling sa mga nananggaling sa mga infected na tao noon na inilagay sa katawan para lang makilala ng katawan na mayroon na siyang ganon. Those are the old vaccines. But these
Okay.
new generation vaccines na ginamit sa COVID, it touches the natural, the design of the body. Kaya nagkaroon ng dysregulations na nangyari. So,
Okay.
napakialaman ang natural na disenyo ng ating immune system, ang ating immune system will function in either way. Di ba?
Yes. Doc, now, because now I realize that possible that my children has the spike protein, how young can they start
Oh,
using vaccines?
this vaccine can only be given to 15 years old and above.
Mga ganun, 15.
Yes,
15 years old and above.
15 years old and above that.
All
You
right.
cannot give it to a younger
Hmm.
Oo.
So, Doc Sheila, Doc Ian is asking, how do you take it? Like, how many times a day?
Yeah, you take it 3
Uh,
times a day. 1-1-1. You can take it 30 minutes before meal or after meal. And then you will see the difference. Immediately, dito pa rin sa mga, syempre bago namin inilabas ito, may mga nag-trial na tao. Wala ang hingal, wala yung parang akala mo binibigkis ang puso. Yung biglang may gumaganoon. Tapos
uh,
mawawala ka agad, mawawala yung hingal, mawawala yung pagka-brain fog. Ang ngayon, ang tao, marami nang malilimutin. So yan
totoo
yung mga
yan. Totoo
immediate na
yan.
mawawala. Kasi ang tama nga nito lahat sa utak sa ulo, sa puso,
Sa
sa
puso.
dugo, sa lungs, na kung titingnan mo walang bagong sakit, pero magnified. But if you take Vax-Is, just 1 week, you will feel the difference. Yung hingal mo, yung hirap mo, yung hingal mo, pag naglalakad ka, yung pagkahapo mo, yung hindi ka makahinga, yung pagiging, yung even sa allergy, magiging matatitibay ka. Brain fog, you will have just in a span of 1 week, mararamdaman mo na kaagad ang pagbabago.
Though there's a question here about yung sa Dengvaxia.
Okay.
Pwede rin po kaya ito?
Dengvaxia again is those are inactivated virus. It has nothing to do with this, okay? Ngayon, kung na-Dengvaxia ka, good. At tapos na-vaccine ka rin ng COVID, lalong good, lalo mong kailangan ito.
Okay. Doc, there's a question here by Sir Rene. Kasi nga, upon his research, that the mRNA is a sort of program or software producing the spike proteins. Possible
Yes.
po ba na ang other bio software to disable the effects of the function of the mRNA that will actually hamper the production of spike proteins? Or is this Vax-Is kinda like a bio software also that will cancel out the vaccine?
No. No.
It's not like that.
No. Hindi na po natin pwedeng alisin kung ano yung na-invade o naitanim sa katawan natin. Nandyan na yan. We can no longer remove that. God knows, siya na lang ang nakakaalam kung kailan mawawala. Okay?
Okay.
But what we are offering here in this product is actually to limit, to lessen, or to mitigate the side effect. But to remove the
To
source
manage.
or to remove the source of the triggering factor kung bakit may mga side effect, hindi na po natin magagalaw. Hindi na po natin sila magagalaw. Pero sa tuwing gagawa ang mRNA as a software na tawag ninyo, as a software na natawag ninyo, kung kapag sa tuwing gumagawa, those spike protein can be dissolved and break down. So, at least meron kang panglaban. Kaya nasabi ko nga, hindi ito gamot, pero unang hakbang na ito. Ito yung isang hakbang na para wag nang hayaang lumalim ang problema.
Okay.
So,
Doc, pwede po bang mag-take
yes.
yung mga hindi vaccinated?
Kung nagka-COVID sila noon. Pero, you know, the lesson people, yung hindi ganoon kalakas ang effect o side effect. Although sometimes maririnig natin na usap-usapan, alam mo, mula nung nagka-COVID ako, ang laki na nagbago sa akin. Parang hindi ko na kayang gumawa ng ganito. Although hindi siya vaccinated. That means nandoon yung long COVID effect. Therefore, kailangan din niya ito.
All right. Okay. There's another question here.
So, I want to have more question para at least the people can be enlightened. Kasi this will not, kung pwedeng lahat po ng tanong niyo ibigay po ninyo para at least
Yan po.
masagot
Doc,
natin.
may nagtanong po dito. Depot natin sa Cebu.
Opo.
They're asking if are there potential side effects of Vax-Is dun sa mga may cancer?
Actually, pag may cancer, this is the best one. Because it will help your body to, matutulungan na ito ng katawan mo. Ano ibig ko ba sabihin dito? Okay. Ang Vax-Is ay makakatulong sa mga cancer at saka mga may HIV. Why? Because sa pagbawas ng presensya ng mga spike protein, dahil i-dissolve ng Vax-Is yung mga napuproduce natin. That means yung triggering factor ng IgG4 na nag-switch para mapunta sa immune tolerance at saka immune exhaustions, mababawasan. In short, magkakaroon ng katalinuhan ulit ang katawan, ang immune system, to survey those abnormal cells and therefore mapipigilan ang cancer. at saka HIV, yung pagbabalik nila. Nakuha mo, Kuya Lem?
Yes po, ma'am. Tama. So basically, by removing the spike proteins,
Yes.
it will aid in the body's fight against cancer.
Lalo na yung pagbabalik ng cancer at saka
Mhm.
HIV. Yun ang tinitingnan natin isa sa mga nakaka-alarma dito because in a state of immune exhaustion, yung ang laki na mawawalan ng kakayahan ang surveillance team natin, ang surveillance defense team natin to detect yung mga abnormal cells na yan. You know, the return is always strong.
Mhm. Dok, bukod po sa mga 15 years, below 15 years old, are there any conditions that hindi natin pwedeng pa-take nitong vaccines?
I do not want to give this to a lower age or younger than 15 years old kasi we need to check also the coagulating effect of their blood, okay? Kasi ibang coagulation aspect natin tsaka sa mga bata. Now, this product is designed for adult. Actually, dapat adult natin is 18 years old, pero pwede natin siyang ibaba ng 15 years old pataas. But we are looking forward if we can make something in a drink. Hindi pwede siya sa liquid form sa bata. Baka milder lang siguro ang pwedeng ilagay, milder. Kasi hindi siya pwede sa drink sa liquid form. Hindi po pwede. So we'll see to it kung saan naman magagawa natin. But
Sige
for
po,
now,
Dok.
this is only for 15 years old and above. And
Okay
again,
po.
this is 3 capsules 3 times a day. But if you have already an existing conditions like hypertension, if you think that you have this, if you are hypertensive, if you think you have this kind of emphysema or whatsoever, you can increase to 2 capsules 3 times a day. Okay? But at a minimum, at least 1 capsule 3 times a day. All right?
Yes, ma'am. So
But
at least 3 to 6.
Kuya Lad, immediately, in a span, kahit 2 days lang, mararamdaman mo na ang pagbabago.
Wow.
Mararamdaman mo na siya.
That is just, I mean, like me, I've been hit COVID very hard.
Exactly, you are the number one. I think one of the victim of the COVID-19.
Yun nga, ramdam na ramdam ko po lahat na sinasabi niyo, Dok.
Yes.
Pati yung mga symptoms, oh my gosh. So guys,
Actually,
come on.
ako being in this industry and everything, I imagine I get hit by the spike protein despite akala ko okay na yung mga iniinom ko, hindi ko lang tinamaan ang combination. All right?
Yes.
Ang combination. But now I am really eager. Imagine having this interstitial lung disease, it's a fibrosis in the lungs.
Grabe,
And a
no?
possible lupus. Ako, sabi ko, sa bagay kasi, dahil siguro ako ang nagpo-formulate, minsan tinatamad din ako uminom.
Doc, you have to take more products.
No. Actually, I have mine now. It's in big bottle. Lahat. Asa na ba ito? Bakit di ko makita?
Doc, wala po bang ano yan? Wala
bakit
po
di ko
bang
siya makita?
contraindication when I take other nanocell products?
No,
Hindi ko ba siya
wala
pwedeng isabay sa Ultima? Hindi ko ba siya pwedeng isabay sa Carvacrol?
No problem. You know, Carvacrol is antiviral.
Okay.
This is for the incoming. One of the mechanism of action of Carvacrol is an antiviral and antibacterial. It's for the coming. But what is
Okay.
inside, vaccines is for what is existing. All right?
But when I take Vax-Ease, Doc, should I take it before meal, after meals?
Kuya Lem, I have told you it is either 30 minutes before or 30 minutes after meal.
Pero wala po dapat ibang kasabay.
Kahit na magsabayan mo siya ng nanocell product, nanocell product is already for incoming.
Okay. All right.
Okay. So if you want to ask more question habang lively, go. I will
Yun.
answer everything. All right?
Ayun po guys, just keep on coming. Doc, there's alam ko the price is still being discussed with Sir Dennis about the members.
Actually, it is hindi naman nakatago. Meron naman tayong drop shipping ang nanosite.
Yes po.
We are selling them for 60 capsule of 2,100, I believe.